水的泥潭更加深，更加烂。现在的大家都走得非常艰难。好了，现在我们已经穿上雨鞋，准备要去婆罗洲的雨林探险了。婆罗洲的热带雨林呢是非常闷热潮湿的，即使是这么大的太阳，里面的话呢也是非常泥泞的。 所以我们都换上了比较高的长筒靴。哦，又要开始我们的探险之旅了。你已经做好准备被旱蚂蟥吸吗？
还是不要了。
吸一下可以减肥
哦。减油就好了。
估计蚂蟥不太会喜欢吸你的肥油。
Oh no 。
Our trails loop, yeah, we go walk a circle, takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour, sometimes more than 1 hour, depends on what we see, yeah. And chances to see animals are very low in this area, especially monkeys. When hares walk in the forest, they go away. If we go to the land, they run away. From the boat, we could approach them to see them very close, yeah. Honestly, I have seen wild orangutans during trekking. Wild orangutans, yeah, and mouse deer. You know mouse deer?
Yeah, we saw them in
KL.
KL, yeah.
Deer, mouse deer.
Yeah, mouse deer. Those small.
我们现在已经到雨林里了。 比我想象的要好。其实雨林里非常凉爽，可能至少我们现在还没有到那些有泥滩的地方，我们只是在河边，至少目前感觉还是不错的。
Last time, local people use this leaf for wrap rice into a packet. Yeah, before you use it, they wipe both side, and the rice can use until 1 to 2 days without going bad. Yeah, sometimes they use for fish, wrapping fish for barbecue. Normally, use banana leaf. Did you ever see people use banana leaf?
Yes.
Yeah.
But these leaves are
Nice.
so small. I can't.
Yeah, but this one they use when the leaves are bigger. Yeah.
Thank you.
This one siri hutan or beetle. Not only monkeys.
现在这个当地的导游给我一个叶子，这个叶子说让我嚼，使劲的嚼，但是不要吞下去。然后我现在已经感觉特别的麻，特别的麻。马上感觉就会，马上就快不会讲话了，哇！
嘿嘿。Just slowly。越往雨林里走，路面就更加泥泞了。深的地方呢，可能会把你的这个雨鞋啊拖住，走起来非常费力。那在雨林呢，本来就很闷热潮湿。那如果说你还需要费力走路的话，很快你就会流汗，就会失水。啊，其实雨林并不是一个适合人类生活的地方。
我这里要接过你相机，我先过。
Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah.
这里的泥潭更加深，更加烂。现在的大家都走得非常艰难，而且呢，就是说你要非常小心。当你想去扶旁边的树的时候，因为有一些树上面可能长得非常尖锐的刺。那在热带雨林，如果你的手被扎伤，你就很容易细菌感染，那你可能会得败血症。所以在雨林的话呢，你要非常非常小心。
Und jetzt auch darüber. Nein, da gehst du voll runter. Oh.
Wow.
We've seen it yesterday on the wall.
Oh, earthworm.
Yeah, earthworm,
Dead.
yeah, made by earthworm. They live on the ground and push it up the soil and will be created like this. Yeah? Sometimes wild orangutans suck this mud to get the mineral, especially the old wild orangutans, because the old one couldn't climb anymore. Just in the low trees, not very high, much spending time on the ground. Yeah, that's why I suck this mud to get the mineral. It's what 80. Yeah, normally 80 or 90 kg. They much spending time on the ground. They don't climb anymore. Yeah. Then orangutans get water from fruits because it's very juicy. And where the water after rain, where the water traps in the trees, they collect it and drink it. They don't go to riverbank to drink water. They hate water. Yeah, so that's why when it's rain, difficult to see them compared to sunny. They always hiding. Yeah? Normally, when it's rain, difficult to when it's rain, they collect lots of leaf, cover their head as umbrella. Orangutans. Yeah.
Wahrscheinlich zu weit reingegangen.
They grow like this. Yeah? And this rattan, they help ants. They provide accommodation for ants. Yeah, the ants live inside here. Yeah? And the ants help this rattan. Any enemies, they bite. And never bite, just make us a little bit pain. Yeah? They helping to each other. This one, liana, has water inside. Yeah, liana has water inside. Sometimes when local people go into the jungle, they cut it off and drink. Can fill 2 small mineral water bottles. Water is very clean, but tastes a bit bitter. Yeah, we have 5 different types of liana in Borneo. Some liana drinkable, some liana undrinkable, because poison. The poisonous one, when you cut, it's like milky. Yeah, so it's very easy to identify. Yeah.
No, we've seen bigger, especially tails. Beautiful, beautiful.
有点起跳失败，落点的位置有点错误。咻！
They still on roots. Yes, still on roots. Why they develop like this? Prevented from water during rainy season.
That's cool. That's a big one.
They collect new leaf and cover has been used. Yeah? And the baby as well build on nest. But the mother teach the baby, show the baby how to build nest. Yeah, but the baby is very slow. Yeah, takes time, build few nests, then walk around or play around, then come back again to continue. Yeah, baby just want sleep together with mother.
太有意思了！我们刚刚在这个树上发现了一只红毛大猩猩废弃的巢穴。向导告诉我们，红毛大猩猩每2天或3天就要重新做一个巢，它很容易就废弃了自己的巢。所以向导说，红毛大猩猩它是全世界最富有的猩猩。为什么？因为它有很多房子、很多窝，而且每天都弄个新的。每2、3天就弄个新的。
The blood feel a bit itch, like a mosquito bite.
I have an itch here. I don't want to.
But
Whoa.
the bigger one, when sucking, you can't feel it. You realize when bleeding. The bigger one, you can feel it. You realize when bleeding.
That's a leech.
Is that a leech?
That's a leech. Yeah, that's a leech.
Gone.
It's gone. Okay.
Oh, it's on your hand. Yeah.
Oh, you have
on the underside.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just took it. This one, just took it.
That's
Yeah?
the one that.
Some people use tobacco and salt, put salt. Yeah. For me, I just flick it like this.
No.
Okay. No worries.
No, that one's full. He won't transfer the blood. He's just eating. Can they?
They don't.
I think they can.
The leeches are not dangerous compared to mosquito. They don't transmit it any disease.
Okay.
They suck blood. Takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. When full, drop by themselves.
Do they die when they drop off?
No.
No.
The leeches they can stop feeding and then they concentrate on breeding as sexually for up 6 months after full meal of blood.
刚才向导从他的靴子里翻出了一只水蛭不对，一只旱蚂蟥。那旱蚂蟥呢，它平时其实是住在树叶上，它感觉到人身体的热量呢，它就会爬到你身上。那我们比较幸运，因为现在是旱季，旱季的时候呢，旱蚂蟥会少一点。那如果是雨季的话呢，旱蚂蟥会到处都是。你一定不希望全身都盘的很多旱蚂蟥来吸你的血。所以呢，我们来雨林其实可以尽可能的选择旱季，不要雨季过来。